Our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto sync lip movement in your HeyGen. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to do so in HeyGen, all you gotta do is simply go to HeyGen. Once you're in your HeyGen AI, you need to provide a talking avatar or a photo and input your audio via text or an uploaded file. HeyGen's AI automatically analyzes the audio's phonemes or generates realistic mouth movements for the avatar, using features like Avatar 4 for detailed animation and even offering automatic gesture settings for natural expressions. So by following this simple and easy method of simply starting a project and adding a media and letting the AI sync, you can simply auto sync lip movements in HeyGen. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.